Is Zealandia the eighth continent? Zealandia has been described variously as submerged continent, continental fragment, and microcontinent. It was once a part of supercontinent Gondwana, but it broke off millions of years ago. Over time, the landmass sank underwater, leaving only a small portion above sea level. The first real clues of Zealandia's existence were gathered by the Scottish naturalist Sir James Hector, who attended a voyage to survey a series of islands off the southern coast of New Zealand in 1895. After studying their geology, he concluded that New Zealand is the remnant of a mountain chain that formed the crest of a great continental area that stretched far to the south and east, and which is now submerged. Despite this early breakthrough, the knowledge of a possible Zealandia remained uncertain, and very little happened until the 1990s. In 1995, the American geophysicist Bruce Leyendick described the region as a continent and suggested calling it Zealandia, a Latinate name for New Zealand. Satellite images finally showed that Zealandia is a large, misshapen landmass about the size of Australia. In 2006, scientists found a fossil mammal jaw in the Otago region of New Zealand. This shows that Zealandia did have native land mammals at some point in the past. The case for Zealandia being a continent in its own right has been argued in the Nick Mortimer and Hamish Campbell book Zealandia, Our Continent Revealed, 2014, in which the authors presented geological and ecological evidence in support of their thesis. In 2017, a team of 11 geologists from New Zealand, New Caledonia, and Australia concluded that Zealandia fulfills all the requirements to be considered a submerged continent, rather than a microcontinent or continental fragment. Despite being thin and submerged, geologists know that Zealandia is a continent because of the kinds of rocks found there. A 2021 study suggests Zealandia is 1 billion years old, about twice as old as geologists previously thought. By approximately 23 million years ago, the landmass may have been completely submerged. Today, most of the landmass, 94%, remains submerged beneath the Pacific Ocean. New Zealand is the largest part of Zealandia that is above sea level, followed by New Caledonia. Mapping of Zealandia concluded in 2023, with a total area of approximately 4.9 million square kilometers, which makes it 2 times larger than Greenland, and is more than half the area of Australia. Conclusion: Zealandia is a fascinating continent with a long and mysterious history. It is still being studied by geologists and other scientists, and new discoveries are being made all the time.